मैं डॉक्टर उदय शंकर दास, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जूलॉजी, आर.एस. कॉलेज, तारापुर। आज मैं आप लोगों को ऑर्गेनोजेनेसिस ऑफ आई इन चिक एम्ब्रियो के बारे में बतलाने जा रहा हूँ। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल विल सी व्हाट इज ऑर्गेनोजेनेसिस। एज वी नो, during gastrulation, 3 germ layers are formed. These germ layers are ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Okay. So this organogenesis starts just after gastrulation, and organogenesis is the process by which the ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm form the internal organs of the organism. Now let us see organogenesis of eye in chick embryo. The formation of eye in chick embryo is intimately associated with the formation of brain. Okay, and we know that brain starts formation at about 27 hours of incubation, and the formation of eye begins after about 29 hours of incubation with the evagination of a pair of sac-like optic vesicles from the lateral walls of the progencephalon. Okay, and progencephalon, and in 33 hours the optic vesicles are most conspicuous structure in the forebrain. Means during 33 hours the optic vesicles can be clearly seen in the embryo. So, and when these optic vesicles are formed, at first the optic vesicles open broadly into the brain, but later constrictions develop which narrows their attachment and forms a stalk. So, see, this is the diagram. This is the optic vesicles. This is the part of the progencephalon, and this is the surface ectoderm, and this is the lateral evagination of the wall of the progencephalon, means evaginates this side, and optic vesicles are formed. Okay, the external surface of that is now flattens. The external surface now flattens out and invaginates inward into the optic vesicles. Is transformed into a double-walled cup-like structure called the optic cup. See, the external surface of the optic vesicles invaginates inward, and a double-walled cup-like structure is formed. This is called optic cup. The invasion takes place in such a way that the ventral wall of the cup is incomplete, the gap in it being known as the choroid facies. The thickened internal layer of the optic cup will give rise to. So this is the cup-like structure, this is the inner layer, and this is the outer layer. And the inner layer is thick and the outer layer is thin. This thickened internal layer of the optic cup will give rise to the sensory layer of the retina. The external layer, this is the external layer of the optic cup, give rise to the pigment layer of the retina. So this is the internal layer, thick layer, and this is the external layer, thin layer. The pigment layer and sensory layer fuse together to become the retina. Now we will see the formation of lens. Formation of lens. The ectoderm outside the optic cup thickens to become a lens placard. The optic cup is, this is optic cup, and ectoderm outside, this is surface ectoderm. This surface ectoderm thickens outside the optic cup, and this is called lens placard. Lens placard. The lens placard invaginates, that will invaginates inward, and finally a vesicle is formed called lens vesicle, and this lens vesicle finally pinches away from the surface ectoderm to form the lens vesicles, and the lens is a solid structure. And the next part we will see in the next lecture. Thank you.